Now, I'll be teaching you how to download your own personal font into your Pixellab. How to download your personal font into your Pixellab. For example, if you check your Pixellab when you are designing, you see font, you see my font, and you see something else, another write-up. So, how to download font from Google to my font in your Pixellab. Now, first of all, you are going to download what we call the achiever, the achiever, which is the if you check your screen now, you see a logo or you see an app with a green color, an app with a green color. So that's what you'll be downloading from your Google Play Store, the achiever. So when you download it, when you finish downloading it, then you go to your Google. You go to your Google. What the thing I've installed in your, so you go to your Google, then you type the font. This is the font. You type the font. You type thefont.com, thefont.com. So it has displayed already. So you clicked on it. No, not this. The font. So this is it. The font. Just clicked on it. So the font will come out. The font will come out. Let's say, for instance, I want to download um Brittany. I want to download the Brittany. Now, if you check at that Brittany, the line of that Brittany, you see download. Clicked on the download. You click on the download. See, it didn't have download. So you click on the open, the down part of your screen. Click on the open. Once you click it, click just once. See the achiever. Open with the achiever. You clicked on it just once. When you clicked it, now this is it. Brittany personal only use. Sometimes it will come out as OTF, sometimes it will come out as TTF, OTF or TTF. So either OTF, whether you download the OTF or the TTF. So if it is not OTF, don't download. If it is not TTF, don't download. So, or click on the OTF. I'll click on extract. Then look at this green icon down here that the arrow is facing down. I will click on it. Achieved successfully. So that particular font have been saved in the Pixellab. So this is how to download your personal font. So that is how you'll be downloading your personal font. Whatever font you feel like having in your Pixellab, just be downloading it. So that is just it.